This is a stateroom tour of room 2416 on board the Carnival Panorama. This is a family harbor suite that can accommodate up to 5 guests. I remember there being a huge closet when I walked in. As a matter of fact, it was a walk-in closet with tons of space, lots of hangers. This was our friend's stateroom on this sailing, and lots of areas to put clothing, safe, some cabinets. And on the other side, there's also more space to put clothing items. Perfect for large families. Another great feature in these family harbor rooms is that they have 2 bathrooms. So one bathroom will have a shower and a toilet with a sink, and the other bathroom will also have a sink with a tub and a shower. So perfect for families that need to get ready, and lots of areas to put toiletries. So she was packing up to leave. It was our last day at sea, and she had asked the stateroom attendant to leave the bed down. So there was one Pullman bed, and then that's actually a sofa that converts into a twin, and then it also has another twin that pulls out from underneath. So you have 2 twins on the bottom, and then that upper Pullman bed on top. Perfect, again, for a family of 5. And there was also a curtain that she could pull across to have some privacy from the kids. And if my memory serves me well, there's also a TV in that area for the kids. Here's the other bathroom that I was speaking of. Again, a tub, perfect if you have little ones, and a sink, and also a shower. Moving on, you do have some more drawers. The stateroom comes with a fridge that you're able to utilize if you bring your own sodas on board, or you have bottled waters also that you can order to your stateroom. So 2 twins that get pushed together if you'd like, or you can have them separated. And really nice and spacious room. She had tons of space in that room, and a very, very large balcony that I loved. Again, this is on deck 2 on board Carnival Panorama. Okay, stepping out onto her private balcony in her room. 4 chairs, 2 side tables, tons of room. Again, this is probably the size of 2 balconies put together. And you do have that white wall since you are on deck 2 on board the ship. But really nice and spacious balcony. I really enjoyed stepping out into her balcony. And of course, being on deck 2, you're closer to the water, which is very nice. She had some awesome views from that room.